The length of a side of an equilateral triangle is 8 cm. The area of the region lying between the circumcircle and the inner circle of the triangle is. Here the diagram is here this is the equilateral triangle and the inner circle radius is small letter r and the outer circle, that is circumcircle, radius is capital letter R. And here equilateral triangle side is A. If I consider it as A, here A is equal to 8 cm. Now, for an equilateral triangle, radius of outer circle, that is circumcircle, is equal to A by root 3. Here A is equal to 8. That is side of the equilateral triangle divided by root 3. And radius of inner circle, that is small letter r, is equal to A by 2 root 3. Which means here capital letter R radius is equal to, that is radius of outer circle is equal to 2 times the radius of inner circle. That is capital letter R is equal to 2 times the small letter r. That is radius of outer circle is equal to 2 times the radius of inner circle. Now, here we need to find out the area lying between circumcircle and the inner circle of the triangle. Here that means we need to find out the area of this part. That is difference between the area of outer circle and the area of inner circle, which is equal to, here required area is equal to area of outer circle is equal to pi into r square. R square is capital letter R square. Pi into capital letter R square minus area of inner circle is equal to pi into small letter R square. Here R is equal to capital letter R is equal to 2r. So 2r square is equal to 4r square. So 4 pi r square minus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square is the required area. 3 pi r square means 3 into pi into r square here is equal to a by 2 root 3. So a by 2 root 3 the whole square. Here a is equal to 8. So which in turn 3 pi into 8 square is 64 divided by 2 root 3 square means 4 into 3. Now 3 and 3 cancel. 4 goes 16 times in 64, which is equal to 16 pi. So 16 pi means 16 into 22 by 7. Now 16 into 20 is 320 and 16 into 2 is 32. So 320 plus 32 is 352. So 352 by 7 is equal to option B, that is 50 into 2 by 7. 7 goes 50 times in 350. Remaining is 2 by 7. So 52 by 7, option B is your answer.